Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
All right, wind continues to blow very strong across southern Idaho, all through the Snake River as a huge blast of Arctic air. A major cold front is coming in from the north, and so we've got wind just whipping on into the valley and through the valley. Some power outages in parts of the state, trees down. Some fires have been started, one west of Parma, one not far from Featherville is being aggravated big time with this wind. So be careful this evening and watch out. If you happen to see a power line that looks like it could be down, be sure to report that and stay clear, of course, of that. Its potential. The potential is there, especially for the next couple of hours, and then it will tend to wane. Let's look at what's going on downtown Boise. We'll look at again at our view from the Grove Hotel camera. 79 degrees, so it is cooling down after hitting 90. Cool air definitely showing up. Wind still gusting to 46 miles per hour. Look at these current temperatures. It's 80 in Boise, or 79 or 76, dropping as we showed you. 55 degrees in the Stanley area. It's 48 in Idaho Falls right now, while it's near 90 in Rome, Oregon. That's the cold air blasting on in. It's colder up in this blue area as well. Idaho Falls is getting rain and wind, and some of the worst wind is right in this region right here. So eastern Idaho will get the most of it, but here in southwest Idaho, look at this wind gusting still 35 to 50 miles per hour. Mountain Home still gusting to 50 miles per hour. Our power outage index, it shows low, but anywhere you see the yellow is the favorable areas to at least get some power outages at this point here up until midnight here, between now and midnight. So we see there again northeast of in this region here, there's been a lot of reports of power outages there. We had spotty ones here in this region as well. So we'll keep an eye out on that for you. There's the cold front coming through. That low pressure sliding to the east. This blue is snow, folks. That is snow falling, and Wyoming is going to get snow as this storm kind of dips to the south, whipping this cold front in behind it. Look at all the storm reports. All those blue circles are all strong wind reports. There's a fire report up to the north here. A fire started, blowing dust, caused the road to close because of a crash that occurred because they couldn't see. There's lightning occurring with thunderstorms right here. So it's a pretty active day weather-wise, mostly in eastern Idaho, but we still have that strong wind across southwest Idaho, which will continue this evening. Red flag warning through 9 o'clock. Anywhere in the red zone, which is most of the populated regions of the Treasure Valley, keep in mind, fires could start. If you see one, please report it rapidly. Don't think that somebody else may have reported it. That way crews can get there very quick. Freeze warnings in eastern portions of the state. This is pretty crazy weather coming in with this cold front, but it's pretty typical for this time of year, though, when you think about it as far as the changing of the season. 101 in Medford today, 58 in Bozeman for the high. Tomorrow, we'll get to 93 in Medford and 50 in Jackson. Look at the cooler air coming into Idaho. And then Wednesday, we start to warm up from the west, and so we'll heat right back on up. But there's that snow. Wyoming getting snow overnight tonight. And tomorrow morning, it'll be sliding to the south. 4 inches now, the charts are showing for Jackson, Wyoming, and a foot in the mountains there. How about that? Future wind gusts should start to settle down overnight tonight here. And then tomorrow, in the morning, there could still be some gusts on the ridge tops especially, but as the day progresses, it's just going to be a nice, cool, autumn-like day tomorrow. Watch this cold front come through the McCall area right there at about 110. It comes blasting on through. Temperatures then begin to drop. We're down to 59. It goes to 30 tomorrow morning. And a quick check at Redfish Lake, I will tell you this. Look at this temperature, 19 degrees. That's the low temperature coming in for the day tomorrow morning. So we were 91 a couple days ago to go down to 19. Treasure Valley, Idaho News 6 forecast. Look at these temperatures, near 70 degrees in the Treasure Valley. That is it. In the mountains, real chilly readings coming on in. So we go from 90 today, 20-degree temperature drop for tomorrow. And the extended forecast for the Treasure Valley shows 69 tomorrow, 75 Wednesday, 81 Thursday, and we're up to 90 to 94 just in time for the weekend if you want the warmer temperatures. So I think this is a pretty nice week coming up, Don, because we got real beautiful weather coming in Wednesday and Thursday, but there'll be frost in the mountains tomorrow morning.
Whew. All right. Thanks, Scott.